minutes. Oh my.
They're all grown up, but the child in each of them is always there. The cold was probably just an excuse for this seal to get some cuddles from her. True friends can understand each other even if they don't share the same language. The love filler makes human feel that the parent's voice is as good as Whitney Houston's. When this friend is highly possessive and witnesses his buddy being interested in someone else. It seemed like they completely forgot their duty because they were so immersed in this childhood joy. Sometimes winning isn't as important as seeing your cat satisfied. It's like watching a toddler clean their room. Well-intentioned, but the results are questionable. These children's worlds are too small to care about anyone other than their friends. The man forgot he was grown up when he saw an ostrich. The warmth of the cow gave her better quality rest than any soft bed. When this white boy's ready to play tag with his human for life. They can't speak yet, but they've already determined who'll be their destined friend. They make a darling duo, a little girl and her goat. The man's charm was so strong that the raccoon couldn't help but run towards him.
Popcorn with it, then. Oh, get popcorn, super popcorn with it. Oh, super popcorn with it. Super popcorn with it. Super popcorn with it. Oh, super popcorn with it. Hey, go crazy then.
Papa's joy is simply successfully raising good children like this.
Shaving. Badger style shaving.
Whenever he was with his mother, he suddenly felt too weak to stand up by himself.
Yeah.
They didn't want to let go of each other because the energy they gave each other was so wonderful.
My army of dark healers!
These birds couldn't help but feel uplifted by his positive aura.
Hey, on pacifie.
Are you falling asleep?
No, I'm just like thinking like super hard thoughts. And you know, when I close my eyes tightly, you know, the thoughts are tighter, you know.
This child probably can't sleep without Mama by his side. Not everyone can kiss an alpaca, because instead of a kiss, you'll get a face full of spit.
Cause I'm all alone. There's no one here beside me. My problems have all gone.
Their presence can heal us. Thank you very much.